Alright, so we're here in the garden still. Some slow jam, a little more sensual than that. But anyways, looking at ways to let there be some love for the squash leaves. And these are thorn apple of some sort. And I've been just letting them grow for a while, see what happens. And you'll notice that here, wherever they're close by, typically it yellows or it just doesn't grow. I just weeded out this whole patch here, and there's the result. And so, you know, we just gave it a chance. But I feel like there's not just competing for light, but there may be some allelopathy. In other words, chemical interference in the soil, or just from the plant itself, that bars other plants from growing. So that's when they don't get along, you might see that, and that's where we're getting these mystery yellow leaves. That's my hypothesis. I'm not sure, at least for the squash. But then you've got sunflower here, which is pretty close, and we'll find out. But that's the latest. So thinning out, and you know, right here's a good example. This is a squash, and it's completely yellowed in proximity to a bunch of thorn apple. Over there's a young squash, somewhat mostly yellow, and there was a ton of thorn apple right there. So that's what we're checking out. We're pulling them out now after giving thanks and learning what we can, which I need to learn some more again when I get a chance to research. But there's your update.